Hello, mom and dad.
Hello, son. What happened?
Yes, Rehan, what happened?
Dad, I'm trying to do something in my life, but I'm too much confused.
Relax, Rehan. Take a deep breath. Rehan, you are capable to do anything, but it depends on you what you have to do.
Yes, dad, but I'm not able to think what to do.
You have to think in which field you are interested, and then you can go in that way.
Okay, dad.
Don't worry, I'm always there for you.
Thanks, dad. I'll make you proud.
I'm also with you, Rehan. Don't be sad.
Thank you, mom. Hello, mom and dad. I need to talk to you about something.
Yes, Rehan.
Yes, Rehan. Have you decided to do something? Have your confusion solved?
No, dad.
Why? What's the problem?
Dad, actually, I cannot solve my problems. So I've decided to go away from here for some time.
What? Why? And where will you go?
What? No, you cannot go anywhere.
Mom and dad, please try to understand. I have to go.
Where you will go?
I'm going to Mumbai.
No, you cannot go anywhere.
Sorry, mom and dad. I have to go. I'll be back soon. Hello, is this Arena Institute?
Yes, how can I help you?
I saw some advertisement of the institute, so I want to know about it.
Which advertisement you have seen and what you want to do?
Actually, I'm confused about my career. I'm trying to do something to make me and my parents proud. I saw the advertisement on the bus stop, how to become a success in your life.
Okay, Rehan, you are at the right place now. Now our director sir will guide you about some courses. So you have to decide in which course you have to get admission and make your career and make your parents proud.
Okay, ma'am. When can I see the director, sir?
Wait for 10 minutes, he will call you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Rehan. Yes, Rehan. Tell me, how can I help you?
Sir, I want to know about the courses in which I can get a successful career.
So, first of all these courses in this institute can make a successful career, but one can choose whichever they want. Now, I will tell you some courses and their details, then you decide which one to pick.
Okay, sir. Please tell me.
There are many types of courses, and they are. So, these are the courses.
Sir, actually, for me, which course is perfect to make my career?
Rehan, you can go with the AVG course. It's a long-term course and it will completely make a successful career. By this, you can make your own films.
Okay, sir. What's the fees and the admission process?
Okay. So the fees for this course is above 1 lakh. You can pay by installments. And this is the admission form. Go through it and fill the form and submit it with the fees.
When I have to submit, sir?
You can submit it by evening or tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to the award show of Film Festival. Today we are here to do announcement for the best short film. I am glad to announce the name for that boy who had made this amazing short film in a very short period of time. The award for the best short film of the year goes to Rehan Verma. Come on everyone, clap for this boy. Congrats Rehan Verma, you have got this best short film award.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm so happy to take this award.
Rehan, say something.
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for this respect and for liking my film. I'm so glad to take this award. But I want to dedicate this award to my institute and to my parents and my friends who always supported me in each and every situation. Before getting the admission for this course, I almost gave up in my life. But my institute, Arena Animation Institution, had made me successful, and now I'm here in front of you all. I have learned so much things in the last few years, but the most important thing I have learned in my life is never give up. We must try again and again. One day we'll be successful. I thank my family, my teachers, and my friend. They always supported me. Without them, I haven't got this award. With my dedication and my teacher support, I have succeeded in my life. And a special thanks to the advertising companies. If I haven't seen that advertise, I couldn't reach here. I hope my parents and teachers will be proud of me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
The moral of the story is everyone needs one hand to take them to the door of success. and that one hand that boy got, and now it's your turn to take that hand and be successful. So here Irina Institute is giving that one hand to all those who want to become successful in their life. Come join Arena Institute today and make your family proud of yourself.